welcome back to Piano with Des. In this episode, we get to play our first song, so get excited because I know I am. What's great about the song I'm about to show you, it only uses black keys. Now, if you have any confusion about the layout of the keyboard, make sure to check out my previous videos. This song is called Mary Had a Little Lamb. I'd like to start with the right hand. So I'd like you to take your thumb, second finger, and third finger, so pointer finger, middle finger, and find a group of 3 black keys, as so. 1, 2, 3. And then with our ring finger, fourth finger, it's just gonna hang out on that white key. And then pinky is gonna be on that black key of a group of 2 right there. And this is our hand position. So just to confirm, 1, 2, 3. Fourth finger's just gonna hang out. We're not gonna use that finger. And then 5, pinky. All right, let me play Mary Had a Little Lamb for you first. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Lovely. So now what I'm going to do is slow things down a little bit. I'm going to go over the finger numbers as I play. What I'd like you to do is try to do this with me and even say the finger numbers with me if you can. Here we go. We're going to start with finger number 3, middle finger. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Now let's sing the lyrics together, starting with that third finger. Here we go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Excellent! Now what I like to do, because our left hand feels a little neglected, let's try it with the left hand. First things first, let's set up. All right, let's find a group of 3, a little bit lower, because it's more comfortable for the left hand to play a little bit lower on the piano. And notice, now I'm gonna use my pinky, fourth finger, and third finger on that group of 3. 2, our pointer finger is just gonna hang out. You're not gonna play that finger. And our thumb is gonna play on that first black key of a group of 2. Just to review the finger numbers before I play, we're gonna start with our pinky like this. 5, 4, 3. We're not playing 2. And then 1. Here we go. Let me play Mary Had a Little Lamb for you first. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Now let's slow things down like I did with the right hand and go over the finger numbers. And try again to play and say those finger numbers with me. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5. Yes, excellent. Now let's sing the lyrics together. Here we go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Gorgeous. Last thing I want to do is we're going to add Now our right hand back into the mix. Therefore, our hands get to play together. Now, don't be scared. It can be a little scary at first, just the thought of it. But all we're going to do, we're going to keep our left hand as so. And we're going to add, as I said, the right hand back. So just to review, right hand is going to be on the higher group of 3. And our thumb is going to be on that first black key. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Our ringer finger is just going to hang out, not going to play. And then pinky is going to be on that first black key of a group of 2. Now, before we play the song, let's just try to play a scale up and then a scale down, skipping that white key. Let's do it really, really slow. Here we go. We're going to do the first of a group of 3, then the next one, then that. Now we're going to skip that white key and play that top note. So again. Gorgeous. And let's go down. Yes. Okay. Let's get our middle fingers ready. Those are finger number 3. And let's sing the lyrics. Now, let your voice guide your fingers the way they need to go. And it's okay to make a mistake. We're learning. Here we go. Ready, go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Let's play that one more time, but with the second set of lyrics. You might not know it, but now's the best time to learn them. So here we go. Here's the second set of lyrics, starting with our third fingers. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the sheep was sure to go. Yes! Wow, thank you so much for learning that song with me. I had a great time with you. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out our website, descoremedia.com, and our Instagram page @descoremedia for additional content. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below, and if there's a topic you'd like us to cover, please let us know. We look forward to making more videos like this, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the next one.